Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. We thought it was a good morning to get on down here and get all of our garden stuffs pulled up so that we can get in here and till and get a cover crop established. So we appreciate you hanging out with us at the Piney Woods Homestead. Hit that thumbs up for us. Subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, y'all, we appreciate you. We're about 8 subscribers away from having 500. So as soon as we hit that 500, y'all, we're gonna run a little contest, and we've got a little something we want to give out to a few folks. So keep spreading the word about the Piney Woods, y'all. We're gonna get started taking some stuff down here in the garden.
Y'all, we've been run completely over with these Helios habaneros. Matthew said, grow me a few. I think I have 5 plants, and they have still not stopped. You can see them all. So all these will not get used, but he's got plenty. He's got years worth of habanero powder now. So
We're up to 16 ounces. A habanero powder.
yeah.
That's a lot of powder.
Same thing with our cayennes. They've still got quite a few on them. We may dehydrate some of these green just for a different flavor. And you can see this is another reason, besides the pain that it is to do Florida weave. We had some soaking rains about a week ago, and they just didn't, they all fell over. So luckily this is not early in the season and me trying to fix them, so I've just left them down.
Those peppers get like a tree, don't they?
Yeah, I mean, you can see the, and this was one of the poblanos.
Y'all, we still got these purple hulls in here, but we'll get those out in a couple of days. Over the weekend, because today's Monday, we actually processed 2 pigs, 50-pound pigs, and all of our rangers. And so we ended up with a busy weekend, y'all. It's a 2-day event by the time you slaughter, butcher, break down the cuts, vacuum seal, and freeze. But y'all, it's been a busy weekend, so I'm moving kind of slow this morning. Lisa's moving a whole lot faster, taking down all this stuff. Pull hard.
I think this one's concrete again. This is the only one.
Let me see if I can get it.
I give it.
I have to get the tractor. Believe I can use that as a cane pole. I believe that'd work. Y'all, next thing to do, it's like a B-52 bomber up there. Y'all, the next thing to do is to get all of our cattle panels out of here. And what we're going to do is lay them to the side for now. Come back later with the tractor. Pull up all these T-posts. And we'll set everything outside of the garden. And it'll just overwinter there until we're ready to put it up next spring. Now getting all these hateful things off.
I was thinking after the fact we should have done zip ties.
I think we will do zip ties next year.
And I put them on there really tight, so.
You got something you can put those in? A bucket or something? So y'all, this is gonna take a few minutes. Probably put you back on the hyperdrive and let you follow along with this monotonous task. Alright y'all, that's all we're going to get done today here at the Piney Woods. Got to get the tractor down here and we'll get those other T-posts up that were just stuck in the ground harder than we could get out. And Lisa wanted to show you something here.
So the other day I came down here and pulled up all of the October bean plants and I missed one. So if you've never seen one, they're really pretty, pink, mottled, and they shell really easy. And they're a white bean, but when they cook up they look like a pale colored pinto, and the taste is pretty similar too.
I think they're better than pintos,
yeah.
Y'all, and that's saying a lot. But guys, we'll get down here in a couple more days and we'll pick our purple hulls, Mississippi purple hulls. We're just gonna pull the plants up, y'all, put them under the shade, and while Lisa is pulling those off the vines, I'll be down here tilling and getting ready to cover crop. So stick around, you'll get to see that in a couple of days. Guys, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, as always, we appreciate you. Y'all have a good day, a great week, and we'll see you on the next video.